Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how you can learn web development. Lots of my younger brothers and friends asking me how they can learn web development totally for free. Today I'm share with you two beautiful resources where you can learn web development completely easily and totally free without spending any dollar or any money. First website name is W3 Schools. If I click here, W3 Schools, you can see that introduction. Here, here you can learn HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn, and you will enjoy it. Start learning HTML now. If you click here, it will start learning in the introduction page. You can read this introduction of what is HTML, and HTML stands for hypertext markup language and other things. You can learn what is HTML basic, HTML element, attributes, headers, table, favicon, link, CSS, color, comment, and all other things. And if you want to learn CSS, then you can click this website is CSS tab. It will open another tab, and it will open the CSS tab, and you can easily read the instruction of what is CSS, how you can write CSS, and if you change the color, what will happen if you give the text align center, if you change the font family and font size, what will happen. You can try it yourself. If I click here, it will open a windows, and if you change the color, for example, here the color is white. If I give it red, it will change, and press the run, it will change the color red. This way you can learn HTML and CSS and all other things from this website. And now I'm sharing with another website which is completely free, which is called freecodecamp.org. This is another beautiful website. You can learn all those things here and totally free. You need to create an account. uh, then you can, if you click here, you can see that coding interview preparation project and B1 English for development. Okay, this is not our achievement, our archived courses. Responsive web design, you can easily learn responsive web design, JavaScript algorithm and data structure. If you click here, you can learn the JavaScript algorithm and data structure. And if you want to learn backend development with API, you can click here and start learning the freecodecamp.org or tutorial easily. And this is loading, and you can see uh, here is some modules, how this is work. You can read here and start using it in your practical life. That's it. After completing this, you need to sign up, and then you can also get certificate from this website also. And using these two websites, you can learn totally free, and without spending any dollar. And it will help you to get job also. Thank you.